Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, March 21st, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community linked at the end of this video in the corner. Don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to gain access to all the benefits listed below. And I also do a live stream on YouTube every weekday evening at 6 p.m. GMT UK time. So anyways, US dollar Swiss did make a pretty impulsive move down, but because of this lower high right here, I suspect that this is actually probably an ABC correction. Now we were in a downtrend on all the higher time frames, so we have to be a little bit cautious in this situation because it could easily just keep going down. But because it's a lower high, I think it's probably more likely it's going to go back up. Then if it bounces from the 78% again, makes like a double top and then turns down, that would probably be a better sorting opportunity, maybe for like an A, a B, and a C because like I said, the trend is definitely down on the daily time frame and up. Unless we go up and break this blue line right here, break structure, the trend is definitely down. And it very easily could make another lower high, go down to the 61, make a lower high, go down to the 78, and just continue this low high series that we're seeing on the daily time frame. So watch your Fibonacci levels, Fibonacci retracement from this whole move down. Be a little bit cautious on the long. For me personally, I would just prefer to wait for the Fibonacci bounce and wait to go short potentially for the continuation of the downtrend. Because for me, the trend is your friend, and if the trend is down, your odds are way better of being profitable if you are trading with the higher time frame trend. Especially if it's like some sort of a three-way pullback like this, that could make for a very clear entry to go short. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord trading community linked over here. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.